Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Rakkam Sang Maha Kharkhandai Terik Nai Weng Ula Ong Banakaliang ke Sorkar kala persyang kat balak ban syem yaki sinjam ban le halor ki jingeh jong ki nonghikai boper ka ba kentup yaki nonghikai SSA ha ke jela ka kam kadai ka ba syimpor Henry ke Sorkar kala persyang ya baro kilat kilinti ban le na ke benta ki nonghikai boper namar ki de ki briu ki jongi bat ki de ki ba aji syakri ya ke jela ong menteri habakran sikilat pathai khubor nalor kata ulapun pauru halor ke jingdon kam ya baro ki kenhun kentup ya ki nonghikai bakin ya trailang bat ke Sorkar ha ka khat pratari unai wing ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA SA kala terwai ke jingdon kam ya ke Sorkar jela bakan ai ya ka bah 90% na ke benta ki nonghikai SSA ha ka jingthum kam nonghikai ha ki kam balai jong ki school buper ha ka jela ha ka ji yalang balak khat penlong da u commissioner and secretary u bakmi ya Ketenat Pulih Putih u Vijay Mantri banyamir jengmut halor ki jingeh jong ki nonghikai SSA ha ka jela halor ke ni menteri ula ong bakan ni kedai ke kam ka baya dei bat ka polisi bat nak liang ke Sorkar kala dia ban menjur na ke benta ban penjensur ya kerta thep kam ya ki nonghikai SSA sya ka sapusan snemrta bakin la ban apply ki kam hikai ha ki school Sorkar
process takes time always because no any process become materialized at one time. No, it is not. The process has to be followed. Definitely it takes time, right? It takes time, but the government is doing all possible means and ways to find a solution for all kind of category of teachers, because there are people, they are serving our state only, right? So the state should progress only with a collective efforts, collective contribution of the teachers, the parents, the governance, of all the stakeholders. So together, yes, I think sometimes it is not the state can become unique with contribution of some particular community. No, it's not. So all together with the teacher, with the governments, with any stakeholder should be united in contributing best what they have. This is what the government is also doing it. These things are policy matter. It is not, but we have the door are opened because we have given the upper age level up to 45 years if they're qualified. If they're qualified, it doesn't mean all the SSA teacher will be absorbed on this policy, but this is one of the steps. This is one of the steps. So like all this the open, because look, there are new entrants also, right? So but we have the door is bigger open for each one of them. So let's see.